That's the Blackpool bus as well.
The Blackpool town center.
Yeah. Can you show the camera a little bit?
Yeah. So that's like, I think that's a park. It's called the Euston Park.
That's Northern Eastern Hotel.
Yes.
Okay, started a video again. So this is the one, the rescue lifeboat.
So that is the Fleetwood
Fleetwood rescue lifeboat.
beach.
So now we are trying to find a cafe where we can have our lunch.
That's some memorial.
That's the memorial, yeah.
Yeah.
Fleetwood. You will remember the 11/11. And remember that we took that ferry. If you remember that, that's the
Yeah.
that's the ferry that we took last
We
time.
have to go to North End, so it will take just 5 minutes to
Yeah.
go to that North End.
Yeah.
Explore.
So it's just, so this is where we are, Memorial Park. Ferry times 7:45, 12:45. Okay. So if you want coming here, you can take the ferry from here and enjoy. Let's just show them this ferry. I think this is the ferry, same ferry we took it last time. Battery is just that they will be running soon. I think that's the same cafe. Let's go.